So hopefully you chose an animal. Hopefully you've made some questions, you've thought about the questions, you found the answers. Now we need to make the quiz. And for the quiz, of course, we will go to Microsoft Office. So I will show you how to do this. So here I am in office.com, and on the side I have Word, I have PowerPoint, I have my email. We need to go to the green with the F for forms. Do not go to the S, this is a different one. Please, please, please go to the one with the F. Yeah, and he says forms. Open this one. And then you will see I have many quizzes already. We need to press the button that says New Quiz. Once we're in the new quiz, we will give it the title, Unit 11, Animal Quiz. If you want, you can add a picture here. It will be a little bit slow, but it takes a few seconds. So, Unit 11, Animal Quiz. I have my title. Next, I need my questions. You have different choices. The easiest choice is this one, choice. So select this one. I'm going to do an easy question just to start. What color are tigers? Now I want 3 or 4 options here. So I could say green, orange and black, pink and yellow. My answers are shui crazy. Make sure your answers are not so bad. Okay. So I have my question. I have 4 answers. But something you need to do. You need to say what is the right answer. So we know orange and black is the right answer. I have to press this tick here. Now we know this answer is correct, sah. This, and this, galat, galat, galat. I'm also going to put pictures in the quiz just because I like it to look nice. So I've got what color are tigers? It says I have a spelling mistake because my computer talks about American spelling. Orange and black is the correct answer. Okay. Question 1, done. Question 2, add new, choice, type the question, choose 4 answers. Don't forget to choose the correct answer. Okay. If you want to give, sometimes 2 answers are correct, you can tick this box. If you want just 1 answer, more answers. 1 answer, more answers. So let's keep it at 1. 1 is the easy option. You can also choose how many points for the question. Usually 1 point, 1 question is the easy way to do it. But there you go. You can continue. When you've finished question 2, then question 3, then question 4, then question 5. When you've finished everything, remember this from last time, You can change the design if you like. None of these are good for animals, but I'll choose this one. When you finish, we need to press share. And you need, Lazar, change this. Anyone can respond. This means everyone can open. If you don't press this, when you put it in the portfolio and someone clicks the link, Kaban, it will not work. Okay? So we can then copy paste the link. You can also make a shorter one, I think. But halas, this is the link. You will copy this link. Send this link for me if you want me to check. Send this link into the portfolio if you want to finish the project. Yalla, if you have questions, you can ask me, you can ask the class. They will help you. But good luck.